days are getting longer, but it's the shortest season of the year. The temperature's right. The ground is ready. There are only a few precious days to get the seed in the ground, and every minute counts. If you could design a planter that would make the most of every minute, it would probably be quite different from those of past years. Planting techniques and technologies have come a long way in a short time. The ideal planter would be designed for precise seed placement, with reliable in-row singulation when and where it's needed. No skips, no doubles or triples. And it would also be easy to adjust for dips and specialized planting techniques. It would provide precise population control for optimal seeding rate and better yields. And to make time more productive, that planter would provide this kind of accuracy and control at higher speeds than previous planters. But it's not necessary to design a new planter. CaseIH has already taken care of that. Introducing the 1200 series 8-meter row crop planter from CaseIH. It's our most productive planting system ever, designed by the most knowledgeable people in the business. The people who actually earn their living on the land, the farmers themselves. We listen to hundreds of customers, those who use CaseIH equipment, and also users of other brands, to determine the features and capabilities they would want in the ideal planter. We incorporated those wish lists into our design process and have addressed all of the needs and most of the wants with the 1200 series advanced seed meter planters. Whether used in conventional tillage, mulch till, or no-till environments, the CaseIH 1200 series plants each and every seed with the utmost care. Farmer designed, engineering refined, prepares a precision-controlled seedbed for faster emergence and improved yield. The 1200 series incorporates our field-proven, farmer-accepted CaseIH early riser row units, providing the perfect growing environment for every seed. This includes planting to moisture with zero index depth control, optimum seed-to-soil contact, consistent soil pressure, precise population control, and uniform in-row spacing. The early riser row units accomplish all this with a number of field-proven features. Offset double disc openers do a better job of penetrating soil and residue than ordinary planter openers. Walking beam gauge wheels maintain constant planting depth and seed placement. A furrow firming point defines the seed trench and firms the furrow, so that the seed is placed in a clean, narrow, V-shaped furrow at the preset spacing and depth. Inverted covering discs fill the furrow from the sides, returning moist soil closest to the seed. The press wheel firms the soil over the furrow, but is designed to leave a crust-breaking pattern to speed emergence. The early riser row units are a proven quantity, accepted and successful in the marketplace. Where the ASM planter breaks new ground is in its seed metering system. The whole point of the advanced seed meter planter is to plant individual seeds consistently and accurately, and the various components of the seed meter are designed toward that end. Each does its part in the task of delivering individual seeds to the furrow the row unit has made. The adjustable seed baffle maintains a constant level of seed in the meter, while the seed agitator gently moves seed toward the seed disc. The large diameter seed disc carries seeds past the 3 singulator spools where doubled seeds are knocked off the disc. The seed disc operates at a slower, more precise speed. This results in a more controllable seed drop for highly accurate in-row seed spacing. 16 standard discs and 1 hill drop disc are available to meet a full range of crop and population needs. The singulator spools are adjustable, so it is possible to work across an entire range of crop and seed types. The seeds are held to the disc by the vacuum created by the fan. The disc, the vacuum, and the 3 singulator spools function together to ensure that individual seeds are delivered to the seed tube at the proper intervals for placement into the furrow. No skips, no doubles. The discharge tube is made of specially engineered materials that dampen the effect of seeds ricocheting off the walls. Keeping the seeds on center enhances the precision of seed placement in the furrow. To assure reliable performance in the toughest applications, we put the 1200 series through its paces. With computer modeling, in-laboratory simulations of the harshest field conditions, of temperature extremes, and where it counts most, in the real world. Testing only confirmed what we knew already. The 1200 series provides the same industry-leading precision and performance whether planting corn, cotton, soybeans, or peanuts. Even planting hill drop cotton is done with silver dollar accuracy. To complement the industry's most advanced metering system and the best row units, you would expect that this planter would operate with the industry's most advanced monitoring system. And it does. The 1200 series planter uses the CaseIH AFS Universal Controller. With just a touch of the screen, you can monitor the total acres planted, total population, seed spacing, vacuum level, and the population per row. You can even monitor the actual input per row compared to your target rate. The monitor also tells you if there's no seed flow, when the seed level in the hopper is low, and contains the controls used to fold and unfold the markers and stacker bar. The Universal Controller Plus is also available as an option. It offers a larger display screen and advanced monitoring features. Both the Universal Monitor and Universal Monitor Plus are integral elements of the overall function and value of the ASM planter. With either unit, the smart sensors in the seed discharge tube continually learn the seed sizes, shapes, and velocity, increasing the monitor's accuracy as the planter works its way across the field. Hooking up the monitor is fast and easy. Just a single connection is all it takes. No tangle of cables and plugs. It's just as easy to connect the hydraulics. Simple, quick connection. The 1200 series planter is available with a stacker bar frame, either fully mounted or semi-mounted, for operating flexibility over uneven terrain. You can choose from 8-row wide, 12-row narrow, or 12-row wide configurations. For growers who don't need a stacker bar or who prefer a more economical solution for their applications, this rigid toolbar is available, either fully or semi-mounted, with a choice of 8-row wide or 8-row narrow configurations, plus a 30-inch 6-row narrow trailing model. The 1200 series adapts easily to meet a variety of planting needs. When it comes to controlling seed populations, the 1200 series No Tools Required design lets you set the population you want, with no knuckle-bruising pulling or tugging to change gear combinations. The transmission provides up to 120 population settings. That's the kind of control customers have asked for to reduce seed waste and enhance yields. For medium round corn, populations can be controlled to within 500 seeds per acre. The 1200 series also makes it easy to change seed types. Start seed changeover by using the cleanout hatch at the base of the meter to drain leftover seed. Then, change the seed disc. First, unlatch the hopper and lay it on its side. Then, unlatch the meter cover and remove the pin. Take out the seed disc and replace it with the one needed for the next crop. This straightforward design not only makes disc changes easy, it also provides easy access for meter maintenance. The hoppers hold nearly 2 bushels of seed for plenty of planting in between refills. One of the hoppers has a sensor built in to activate the low bin level warning. This sensor serves as a proxy for all the hoppers, letting you know in advance when it's almost time to refill. The hopper lid snaps on and off easily and stays in place when it is snapped shut. During hopper refills, the lids can be clipped to the hoppers. In addition, the lids are tethered so the operator won't be chasing lids all over the field when springtime winds arrive. The stacker bar markers are built with rugged construction to withstand the rigors of the field. During end-of-row maneuvers, the markers fold horizontally to maintain a low profile and keep clear of fence lines, hedgerows, tree branches, and other obstructions. CaseIH engineers designed and tested this system for long-term, reliable operation and easy control. In the transport mode, the 1200 series stacker bar provides very user-friendly transport, making it very manageable getting to and from the field. It only takes about a minute to fold up the row units and markers for transport. A convenient transport lock gives the planter a very narrow width. For example, the 12-row wide configuration has a working width of 42 feet and folds to 22 feet. The 12-row narrow configuration has a working width of 32 feet and folds to 20 feet 6 inches. The 8-row narrow setup with a working width of 28 feet folds to 16 feet 8 inches. There's ample clearance to allow driving with confidence past mailboxes, telephone poles, fences, and across bridges. Making turns, driving through gateways, into machine sheds, they're all just part of the day's work for this unit. Operating the stacker bar is easy, with all the frame folding, frame raising, and marker controls built into the monitor. The 1200 series planter is compatible with all brands of tractors, but as part of a fully integrated CaseIH system, it can't be beat. Unmatched productivity and in-row seed spacing, depth control, and all the advantages of the time-proven early riser row unit. The 1200 series planter has a full complement of attachments and options to match a wide range of soil conditions and planting needs, including residue managers, row cleaning discs, granular chemical attachments, and more. For its bullseye accuracy, its combination of field-proven components with advanced technology, and the integral role the advanced seed meter planter plays in the most advanced farming system in agriculture today, the 1200 series planting system from CaseIH is without competition.